Hello lovely people, welcome back. Today I show you how to make your own fresh orange juice in the comfort of your home. You don't need to worry about any additives in your juice. Let's get right into it. So to make this you would need very ripe oranges. At least most of them should be very ripe, okay? And then we'll go ahead and peel all of the oranges, but the white part makes the orange juice more bitter. For the kind of oranges we have in Ghana, especially this type, it has a little bit of a bitter aftertaste, okay? But if your orange does not have the bitter aftertaste, you are very lucky, but ours has that kind. So you want to peel off all the white sides, and then once you are done, we proceed to the next step. After peeling, you want to divide them into halves, take out the seeds and divide them into quarters as well, just so that it's easy to blend, okay? Yes, so once we are done, we are starting with 2 cups of water, okay? Always start with a little bit of water, then you can add water when you feel like it's too thick, okay? So 2 cups of water, you can use ice as well. Add in your oranges to your blender and then pour the water and blend it. So after blending it, you can use a sieve that has smaller holes in it, but I want a little bit of the chaff in the juice, okay? So I'll sieve it with this kind. You can also use a muslin bag or a very neat and light white napkin. So go ahead and sieve it until everything is well sieved. So if you are watching me up to this point and you've not yet subscribed yet, my darling, please subscribe and join this growing family. And also, if you haven't given this video a like yet, please do give it a like. It encourages us to post more content like this. Thank you so much for doing that. So once you are done, this is the first batch. So you want to go ahead and keep the chaff, but sieve your second batch, and then once you are done, we'll proceed to the next step. Now, so we are done sieving, but the chaff has more juice, okay? So as you saw on the screen, add more water and then sieve it for the last time. Then you can decide to either throw the chaff away or use it for another recipe, okay? I am throwing mine away. I would not have any use for it now. So you are going to go ahead and stir very well. The foam that has collected on top of the orange juice reduces when you stir it, but you can also feel free to collect it off the orange juice, okay? And then we are going to go ahead and add sugar to our taste, and we'll stir it very well. So I was going to say that if you do not like sugar, you can use dates, okay? Just blend it with the oranges when you are blending the juice. You can also use other sugary fruits and combine it with the orange juice so that the bitter aftertaste of the oranges will not disturb you. After all is done, we'll go ahead and pour our orange juice into our jar and store it in the freezer or consume it immediately, cold or room temperature. You can even drink it warm if you like. So let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe and what you think about it, and I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. Until then, remember, God loves you and has a great plan for your life. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. God bless you all. Bye bye.